Hi friends, welcome to Mizora, and we are going to start our new series on Lean Six Sigma practice question and answers, which you will get in the exams, but we are going to solve all these things with Minitab, so mostly statistical questions. Today it's the first session, and I wanted to give you an overview of what is Minitab. Before we get into what is Minitab, you would already have known this, right? Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publisher, Access, all these things which Microsoft Office has already. These softwares are pioneer in their respective fields. Similarly, Minitab is a pioneer in its own field, and especially it is designed for Lean Six Sigma studies. Just to give you a brief to those who don't know exactly about Minitab, this is one of the softwares which is completely aligned with Lean Six Sigma. For example, if we go to this is the window we get in Lean Six Sigma, and there is a session window here. We get the results here in the session window, and we get our inputs here in the. So it looks like an Excel sheet, but it is designed in a different way. So coming back to our question, this has got each and every stage wise requirement. Say for example, this is hypothesis testing, descriptive statistics, all these things we use at a defined stage, regression, ANOVA, design of experiment. This is in a control phase. Quality tools we use, measurement system analysis during a measure phase. So it is very well structured and aligned with Lean Six Sigma. All the outputs what we need for a process analysis are very well configured. Hence, I prefer Minitab always. You can go in depth and understand each and every formula which is available online. For example, so this is a correlation. This is a correlation study I did just to show you. And if you see here, the answers are quite outlined here very well, and you can copy paste as a picture, take it to your PowerPoint or whatever slides you need. But apart from that, if you go, let me take you correlation, and if you go to this help section, you can go to the in-depth of all these formulas here. Right, so we will do that. We'll go through each of this formula when we use this, and then finally reach our conclusions. It is definitely easy if you don't know where to start. For example, if you don't know what you have to do, so then you go to assistants here and you just click on the required tab. For example, measurement system analysis, what is the type of data you have, right? So, and there is a little bit of given here what type of data it is, right? So it is very much aligned towards Lean Six Sigma studies, right? But that's all about Minitab, and I am not promoting Minitab here. I am just trying to use it to get you the desired results. So what's in it for you, right? That's more important. So in the first stage or in this series 1, we will cover entire DMAX cycle, and we will try to have 100 questions, each divided into different stages. For example, define can be 25 questions, measure can be 25 questions, analyze can be 25 or few more or less, and we will use Minitab to get our results for this, so that we will learn Minitab also. The problem people face while doing all this is there are so many scenarios which we don't know. So happy path is something we can work on, but unhappy path is something we need to know how it will work. If this is not available, that is not available, we'll try to do those also. So it would be a dual sort of series where you learn Minitab as well as you learn how to solve problems, statistical problems using Minitab, right? That's the brief introduction, and see you in our first class. If you have not subscribed, we request you to subscribe now so that you get all your notifications, and thanks a lot. See you in the next class.